see. Me and Maya found something today when we were out walking. I have no idea what this is. It's some old things at least. See? And the funny thing is that whoops. This damn camera sucks. And I told Maya like this when we were walking here that it almost feels like an enchanted forest. And then I found this. Okay, I have not peeked in here yet, but maybe with you by my side, maybe I dare to do that. I don't know what it is. Any suggestions? Maya. Okay, peeking in. Only rocks. Hi, Maya. See, everything is just green. It's like a big wall or something. Oops. Yes, I have a condition like a 90-year-old. And behind all this wall that is here, it's actually water. The entire forest is like this. It would be kind of cool if the forest actually could tell the story what have happened here back in the days. Oh well. That's it for this time. See you later. Ta-ta.